How to design Squarespace website in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now, there is no direct connection or there is no direct applications that would easily allow us to import our Canva designs into Squarespace. So an alternative to this is that we could create specific sections of our Squarespace website in our Canva. An example would this review, as you can see here, this is an example that we will be using. We have a review page over here that we want to put into our Squarespace. So this is something that is created in Canva. And what we're basically just going to do is we're going to download this as an image over here, download. You could have it as no background, but we're going to have white background over here. And going over here in our Squarespace, simply select a specific section that you want to add it to, use it as a background, and upload the image just like this. And you will be able to have sections of your Squarespace website utilizing Canva's ability or Canva's designs over here. You could use it to create any sections, whether it's header, whether it's your logo, and so on and so forth. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.